Hello guys, as usual, every Saturday a video from my car about not so much Laravel, but about dev career. And today it will be not a typical video about dev career on hard mode. I wanted to show a video of appreciation and respect for those developers and generally people who are trying to pursue their careers and do their job on hard mode in economical or political bad situation. Of course, you have heard about the events happening in Ukraine, in Central Europe. I'm not sure what the situation will be by the time that this video is published. I'm shooting it on Tuesday, so by Saturday maybe something will change. I hope for the better, or maybe I would need to reshoot this video, we'll see. But currently it's a nightmare there. And I wanted to show the respect for developers and appreciation for those who live in a difficult situation daily. I'm not talking that much about war, but in general, if in your country it's a bad economical situation, some kind of hyperinflation or difficulty to earn money from abroad or in dollars or something like that, so it's hard to earn money even if you are a good developer, then you're playing it on hard mode, and respect to you. Same goes for a political situation. If in your country there's open conflict or even worse, war, then I cannot even imagine how hard it is to concentrate on work and try to do your job to provide food for your family. And for people like me, for privileged people, I consider myself a privileged person born in Lithuania. It's now a free country, democratic country with relatively good economy now in European Union. So I'm free to say whatever I want, work on whatever I want, and earn money. And also earn money from abroad in dollars, euros. I feel like I live in a free world and I'm privileged. So translating that into developers' world, we often talk about how to structure code better. What is the best practice? What is the best framework? How to do our job better? But a lot of people struggle to do their job in any kind of way to provide food for their families. So for example, you can say that Laravel is the best framework and you won't do any job on WordPress or Drupal or whatever. In the meantime, someone would gladly take WordPress job or Drupal job or .NET or whatever and learn them on the fly just to get some money for their families. I've heard quite a few stories, especially when I was doing kind of Black Friday giveaway for poorer countries, from people who would take any kind of job, any kind of projects, just to make their ends meet. So with this video, I want to do two things. Show the appreciation and respect for people playing it on hard mode. And if you need any help in those situations, please email me povilas@laraveldaily.com and I can help you with whatever I can. And also, a thought to you who are more privileged and living in free world, in good economies, please think some more about your colleague developers who are trying to do their job and pursue their careers in the reality of political or economical struggle. Currently, I'm praying for Ukraine and its people, and I hope this nightmare will be over soon. That's it for now, and see you guys in other videos.